guys, what's up? It's your girl Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a fall/Thanksgiving makeup look. As you would say, a tutorial. Makeup look is definitely fall and, you know, maybe Thanksgiving, but definitely fall overall. You know, the colors, the sheens of it, yes. So, but before we get started, you know, I give y'all a few, advice. I hope your evening's going well or whatever time of day it is where you're at. But I just want to share some piece of advice, keep y'all inspired, because when you come to my channel, we're always positive. We always stay motivated. We go for our goals and, you know, we never stop no matter what. So we just got to keep that reminder, the motto, just to let y'all know. You're going to have people that don't like what you're doing or what you do. And then you have people that love what you do. And regardless, you know, it's what you want to do. Just to let you know, if you know, have people that don't like it, just don't mind those type of people. You know, you have to keep pushing. You're not for them, you're for yourself. And you just got to keep going. You know, if somebody goes out their way to say something negative to you, then obviously they have an issue. But I'm just saying, that's my advice of the day. Maybe I'll start these type of videos, like type of talks. We need to come up with a name for this channel. Like when you come to this channel, you're the such and such team. I don't know. But anyway, let me know if you come up with an idea. You know, I might actually use that name. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Why not? But anyway, let me stop talking. Stay tuned for the next clipping if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look. Okay, so first I'm using my Milani face primer. Okay, so now I'm using my L'Oreal True Match foundation, but I'm also going to put my Revlon foundation in it to make the foundation more like my shade of color, because I realized the L'Oreal one was a little bit too tinted, so I had to lighten it just a little bit, you know, so I can keep it as natural as possible. Okay, honey, it is contour time. So you're going to see me using my Wet n Wild concealer to, like, you know, sculpt out my cheekbones. Then I took my Wet n Wild contour palette and I'm just doing that now. And then I'm going to blend it all in and it's going to look bright and all natural. And you're just going to be like, oh my God, check that out. I couldn't decide if I wanted to use my Laura Mercier or my new Revlon highlighting powder. As you can tell, I just chose the Revlon only because it's new and I haven't used it on camera for y'all. So look, let's see how this comes out. Oh my gosh, I'm shook up about this Revlon highlighter because your girl got it on clearance at Target for like under $5. I don't remember the exact price because I think I kind of scratched it off, but you know how that goes. But oh my God, the highlighting is just awesome. Like, I love it. So yes, that is a 10 for real. So in the crease part of my eye, I'm using my Revlon highlighter because it's giving me the look that I was going for, that gives the extra pop to your eye. Like, it just makes a whole difference. So I'm using my CoverGirl lip gloss by Katy Perry, and this shade is like really pretty. She has other shades, but I can say that this one, it stays on throughout the day for quite a long time. It's smooth, it smells good, everything, and the price, it's just worth it. So if you're thinking about buying it, you definitely should. Like, go ahead and get this, girl. You know you want to, okay? Okay, so we are done. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was very informative. I will list all the products down below in the description. I will not forget to do that. That way, if you want to get the same exact products, you know what to get. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on down below so you can see me again whenever I post next. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.